Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share some profound wisdom that can guide you on your journey to inner peace and personal growth. So, find a comfy spot, close your eyes if you can, and let's dive in. First, let's talk about the power of mindfulness. It's about being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness can help you break free from the constant chatter in your mind and find a sense of calm. Try starting with just 5 minutes a day, focusing on your breath and the sensations in your body. You'll be amazed at how this simple practice can transform your life. Next, embrace the beauty of imperfection. We often strive for perfection, but it's important to remember that it's okay to make mistakes. In fact, our imperfections make us human and unique. Celebrate your flaws and learn from them. This mindset shift can lead to incredible personal growth. Another key to inner peace is letting go of what you can't control. Life is unpredictable, and trying to control every aspect of it can be exhausting. Instead, focus on what you can control: your reactions, your attitude, and your choices. When you let go of the need to control everything, you open yourself up to new possibilities and experiences. Gratitude is also a powerful tool for finding inner peace. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of tea or the sound of birds chirping outside your window. Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking in your life to what's abundant. This change in perspective can bring a deep sense of contentment and peace. Lastly, connect with nature. Spending time in nature has a magical way of grounding us and reminding us of the beauty and simplicity of life. Whether it's a walk in the park, sitting by a river, or simply stepping outside and feeling the sun on your face, nature has a way of calming our minds and nourishing our souls. Remember, the journey to inner peace and personal growth is a lifelong one. Be patient with yourself and take it one step at a time. You're not alone on this path. We're all in this together, learning and growing each day. So take a deep breath, let go of any tension, and embrace the wisdom of life. You're capable of amazing things. Until next time, stay peaceful and keep growing. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on self-improvement and personal growth. Take care and see you soon.